me ask you a question. How fast do you think someone could become a millionaire? 5 years? 10? Maybe 20? Wrong. On average, it takes 44 years to hit that first million. But here's the kicker. Most people never even try. They let the clock tick as their dreams slowly turn to dust. But not you. You're watching Money Mystery. You're here because you want to escape the trap, beat the system, and join the 1%. But there's a secret the wealthy never talk about. You're doing everything right, saving, investing, but it still feels like you're crawling. Meanwhile, the rich skyrocket after $100,000. There's a reason, and no one's talking about it. Until now. Welcome back to Money Mystery, the channel that uncovers the secrets the wealthy hope you never learn. Today's truth: the first $100,000 isn't just a milestone, it's a hidden financial threshold. If you feel like you're grinding endlessly with little reward, this episode will change how you see wealth and why the journey before $100,000 feels so steep. Why $100,000 is the magic number. $100,000 isn't just symbolic, it's where compound interest starts working with you instead of against you. Below $100,000, your returns feel small. $10,000 at 7%, that's $700 per year. But hit $100K, and that's $7,000 per year doing nothing. Once you reach it, your money builds momentum. Your returns compound on themselves. The psychological and economic trap. Before $100,000, building wealth feels like pushing a snowball uphill. Why? Because you are. The younger you are, the lower your income, the fewer skills you've built. It's like playing level 1 in a game where the boss is already on 20. Gen Z faces 86% less buying power than boomers did at the same age. And while job growth slows, the digital economy offers a new door. Side hustles, digital skills, online brands. The climb is steeper now, but the tools are sharper too, if you know how to use them. Compound interest, the snowball effect. Money is like a snowball. The bigger it gets, the more it collects. Under $100,000, your snowball is too small to matter. It's more about what you contribute than what you earn from interest. Example, $10,000 in the S&P 500 grows to just over $14,000 in 5 years. That's $4,000 growth in half a decade. The rich play the long game because they know the real magic begins after that first $100,000. The growth method to reach $100,000 faster. Growth, a 6-step method to hit $100,000 and unleash compound momentum. G. Gain control of your finances. Budget to steer your ship. Understand where your money is going. Needs versus wants is the battle you must win daily. R. Root your investments. Set a base. Even $250 per month in a 7% return index fund equals $656,000 in 40 years. $536,000 of that is pure compound growth. O. Optimize tax management. Learn legal tax avoidance. Use deductions, tax-advantaged accounts, and start side businesses that align with your interests. Weed out high-interest debt, compound interest working against you. Pay down debt ranked by interest rate, and especially credit cards. T. Tap into additional income. Side hustles matter. Over 50% of Americans already have one. Leverage yours to accelerate investments. H. Heighten your discipline. Building wealth requires systems and consistency. Discipline is the engine. Everything else is fuel. Why it explodes after $100,000. $100,000 to $200,000, 35% faster than the first $100K. Then it accelerates. $200K to $300K takes less than 4 years. 300K to 400K, just 3. Then 2.5 years to 500K. You've built momentum. Now the system favors you. You're playing offense, not defense. The journey to your first 100K is uphill. Slow, tough, and invisible to most, but once you're there, you cross the line from hustle to momentum. It's no longer about how hard you work, it's about how well your money works, and if you can hit 100K early, you're not just accelerating your path to 1 million, you're making it almost inevitable. What are you doing this month to get closer to your first $100,000? Drop it in the comments. If this unlocked something in you, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell, because your wealth journey deserves the truth. You're watching Money Mystery, and this is just the beginning.